Arriving at Watchpoint Gibraltar.
What?
Prepare your defenses.
Oh man.
Select your hero.
Holy shit, that's a lot of DPS. I'll play Ana. Can we get a second tank, maybe? I know we could do this, come on.
Better with Ryan. Not saying you're bad at Anna, but like she's just in a bad spot right now.
I'm sorry?
No, I don't think we should use Anna. We need Mercy instead, because Anna's just a bad hero right now. I mean, I know you're probably good with her, but
at least
if you're
let's
really
see
good,
like
she's
what
just
they're
better.
running with.
Where did you hide your treasure?
Oh,
Hardly have it on your
Oh, whatever.
person.
thank God. Oof. Don't want to run that trip DPS. Thank God. Holy shit. I'm so glad that happened. You do not know how happy I am. I also get the endorsement, so free XP. I'm not gonna complain. But I'll wait a little bit because I don't want those losers. Alright, let's go queue up now. PB sagging. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Think about joining this. Didn't need DPS. Oh, never mind. I filled up quickly. That's a very big gap. Never. Too late.
Welcome to Blizzard World. Prepare to attack. Select your hero.
Hey guys.
Yo, what's up, bud? How you doing?
Alright.
Doing good? So you didn't lose 7 games? Wait, hold up. Skittles, you lost 7 games in a row.
A disciplined mind is your most dependable ally.
I mean, you know what? You can make that win a 3 if you go Zarya. I promise.
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
Alright, I'll switch then. I promise I'll switch to a better DPS.
We're all soldiers now. Good choice.
Could you go Zarya now?
You need to
You can
slow
stay Genji.
down.
Stay Genji.
Think about your actions.
Thank you. Thank you, Skittles. Alright. I appreciate it though. Seriously though, Skittles. Not many people don't want to switch.
4, 3, 2, 1. Attack commencing.
I'll go scout ahead. They have a widow. I think that's a widow. Oh shit.
Go top right.
Goes left side.
Let's go roller coaster. I'll try and get the pick on Hanzo. Did he leave?
That's what?
Oh, he's
Nice.
left. Alright, let's go, let's go. It's a pick. Let's not waste any time. I'm getting Zen. He's one.
I got no shield here.
I got the Zen. She's missing.
She's
Nice.
left.
No,
Mercy's dead.
no heals, no
Push
heals.
Ryan behind us.
Get her. She has no hook. Widow has no hook. Get her. Zarya's no bubbles. No bubbles at all. Good job, guys. I kept that. I'm on my way back. Good work.
Objective A.
Let's go Scott ahead. takes a while for it to open.
Wait.
Alright. Let's back it up a little bit.
Senjata
So there's no personal.
Nice pick, nice pick.
Ah, yeah.
I almost have almost the blade.
Close the shield.
I'm getting
Ryan, right?
get Ryan, he's discorded. I got him.
Senjata dead. Willow dead.
Bleed.
See.
Mercy dead.
Keep healing moving. I was thinking
Blade shield.
I think I got far now.
Oh. Kill Mercy.
Nice Mercy.
Mercy's on me.
I got the Mccree.
Sorry. You get Ryan on Discord.
Shit. What did I do?
Alright, force Zen. Coming up on blade again. Then there's one in any healing.
Senjata is dead, I think. Oh my god.
Oh, let's just do a regroup. I have they have no res, and I have bleed, and no trance. After this, I'll go hit scan.
I will not falter.
Yeah. Let's go. Let's not waste any time and any healing. Give me a lot so I can bleed. That Discord to go away. Alright, I'll come around.
Sense one.
Oh my gosh, where was he? Let's do a regroup
What?
again. Let's do a regroup. Go main. Don't go high ground.
Can we get hit scan now?
I'll go hit scan. So I don't want to waste his blade though. That's why I'm trying to regroup quickly.
I try to get back on this item in Discord and try to damage him a little bit.
Oh, I need heals. Alright, let's just go. Hurry up. Fuck it, dude. Hurry up. Pocket me when I blade though.
Guys, Mccree's behind.
He's low. Discorded. Push.
Get the
Mccree's
Zarya.
still
Go to
behind
the Zarya.
us. Mccree's still behind us.
Ryan. Mercy's on.
I got the
Oh, there's a Mccree behind us. I got him.
Alright, let's keep this up. I'll go hit scan.
We can push. Zarya. It's fine.
I'll go hit scan. Fuck it.
My ultimate is
Are they
almost
doing
ready.
pharmacy now?
Are you guys ready?
My ult.
Dictor. Oh
Great
my
check,
gosh.
shield.
Some heal.
Oh my gosh. You can fucking reach from that far.
And Zarya.
We're still winning this. Junk is still what's it called? I think he's behind us.
Junk's on top.
Nice. Can you get that res again?
Nope. It's on recharge.
Alright, let's keep the payload moving. Hopefully he comes in time. I keep fucking not FPS, I mean, like, I keep spiking and rubber banding. One reason why I cannot aim for shit. I got the,
Mercy low.
there's no Pharah. Get the Rhine.
You guys got this. Nice.
Shit, guys.
Bullseye.
Score 3-0. Switching sides.
You want me to run the hits again?
Prepare your defenses. Select your
Yeah, they'll probably run that far.
Yeah, they'll probably run it again. They'll think it'll work again. Honestly, wherever you were before, I think you were at Mercy. Just go it again. Do it again.
Yeah, sorry, I was just texting.
It's alright, I forgive you. So, like, what inspired you to, like, give yourself that name, Mercy? I'm not even gonna pronounce it, because I don't want to butcher it.
It's Fufui. It's just like a made-up word I made when I was younger with some friends.
So, like, what does it mean, though? Like, how would you use it? Like, what's the right context to use the word?
It was a way to not insult people. You'd say Fufui instead of like fuck or like anything else.
Thanks.
Like, oh, you little fufui.
Yeah, something like that.
That's it. You goddamn fufui. That's it.
attackers.
That's my new word.
30 seconds.
Ain't much.
Yeah.
Now
It
I
even
name
sounds
myself
funny,
this.
so, like,
There used to
sounds
be
so silly, you can't keep it insult.
there used to be a game called, I think it's called Mini Ninja or Mini Ninja. I don't know, I forgot the name of it, but it had Mini and Ninja, that's what I remember. And I love that game. It's like, that's how I got into gaming, because of that game. So,
Yeah.
plus I love
do it.
samurais, so I just named myself that.
4, 3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
Oh, barrier.
Go.
Move up. Move. Almost fucking dead.
I got a widow.
You got Widow and Genji, right?
Yep.
Zar's not projected. Alright, no run.
I got no shield.
Okay. Mercy is close.
Zar's not projected. Oh gosh.
Like, Genji left.
Genji
Yeah,
point.
on point.
I swear if I wasn't lagging, I wouldn't have missed this many shots. It's ridiculous. Lag spike.
Grind.
Widow top left. With Mercy.
The Rhine.
I got the run. Oh, I need heals. Fuck. Damn, I'm dead.
Mercy.
Mercy one.
Get the Lucio.
Genji's half.
It ain't my time.
Oh.
Heals, if Genji or anything is diving you or you're low, call it out, please. We'll peel for you.
Much obliged.
Oh, fuck, I need healing. You see me? Fufui behind you. Fuck. Got him. Let's get it, boys. I'm fucking dead. I'm so fucking dead.
Behind.
Zarya's low.
I got the mercy, boys. Oh no, the soldier's won. Yeah, don't even bother. Emo. Back up all the way with the team.
I've got unfinished
I'm
business.
so fucking mad I didn't change to Genji.
Stop the payload.
Watch out, there's 2 people in there.
Small room over there.
They backed off.
Soldier going top right, behind us. Soldier behind us.
Soldier behind us.
Fuck.
Sorry, you're dead.
Can you res that Mercy or no?
I already used it.
No.
I'll come back with Genji then. Whew, that voice crack. Ew.
Darius discorded.
Take advantage of that, boys. Fuck with hammered. Fucking
Oh my
bitch.
God.
Fuck, these both are support outs.
Thank you.
God damn it.
I'm fucking lagging. Literally, they're literally teleporting in my screen. Just get out of there, people.
No, they're all behind you.
No, we're good.
They're all behind you.
Lag spike again. I'm still lag spiking. Oh my gosh. I'm dead. I think I'm dead. Legitimate.
And then I'm on you.
I love you.
Daria.
Mercy's one.
She discorded.
Fuck.
Group up.
Alright, guys, we're staggered. Let's group up.
Yes, let's group up.
Brian, come back, come back.
Yeah, get out of there, bud.
I can't.
Yeah, he's super dead. Don't even bother. Wait, just wait. Wait in the group. Wait here. Everybody, wait. Don't peek. Don't do anything.
I just group up on the left. We're not
The
gonna get
payload
this.
has reached the checkpoint.
Am I going this way? Go this way.
Get the fuck out of here, kid.
Good job.
Lucio discorded.
Dude, I fucking hate lag spikes. Fucking shit, dude.
I had a bunch of them last game.
It's actually fucking annoying. Holy shit. Like, this is throughout the whole game. Because I'm recording something. That's the reason why I'm lag spiking.
Guys, look at you, greedy.
Soldier left there.
I messed up that dash so badly.
Oh, get Ryan, go Ryan.
Oh, bunny healing.
Genji's on me. Genji's diving. Got him.
Watch for them to come around our right side.
Much better.
I'm watching it, don't worry. I'm fucking dead. Ooh,
Ryan,
ooh,
Ryan
ooh.
first. Ryan, bro.
Nice, nice. Check yourself before you wreck yourself.
Mercy. Never mind, don't get her. It's Zarya. He's in the back line on me. It's on me.
Recharging shield.
Oh,
Okay.
you're dead.
Mine is long.
Get you, show yourself, show yourself.
Oh, wait! I got you, bud. Let's get out of here. Fafui.
Thank you.
I'm back here, by the way, if you want to get up from the back entrance. Yeah, from the back entrance. I'm telling you, Fafui. This is what happens when you show me the
Is
ways.
she soul ulting him?
Yo, when I get my blade, I want you to damage boost me. Alright?
You're from me.
Right.
Oh gosh, I have lag spikes too.
I literally see people teleporting. Forget about lag spikes. Alright. Still alive, Mercy? Alright.
Ryan flow, Ryan flow.
Alright, pocket me. Oh my gosh, dude, what the fuck is this? What the fuck is this, dude? I'm literally lag spiking. What the fuck am I witnessing? Get the Mercy.
Mercy.
Literally, she's one. I'm not even joking. I got him.
Get Ryan, he's gonna spawn.
Fucking shit, dude. I mean, we have more time than them.
Round 2 complete.
Yep.
Score 3-3.
Only reason why I'm lagging though is because I'm recording something.
Prepare your defense.
Why are you recording something?
Select
Because my coach wants me to record the VOD so I can send it to him. I'm gonna do like a VOD review with my thing.
The advantage is mine.
That's cool.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. He agreed to help, so I was like, oh, you know what? Let me fucking do it. I guess the consequence is fucking lag. I wish I could stream it. Do you lag if you stream more? Because I used to have it like 50 or like the most.
Probably.
And never, like right now, I'm averaging my most. I'm running fucking 50, 70, 80. It's actually retarded. And sometimes in team fights, it's like fucking 200. And I'm missing like every.
But I might run away to again. Just try not to get picked off.
There's no reason why I'm going Genji again. You know, the moment they pop that Pharah emo, you already know what.
2, 1. Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
Yeah, they got Pharah.
Oh, thank God we got his guy. They're going on left side by the way.
Widow top left.
They're rushing.
Fire's behind us.
Far is right behind us.
30 seconds remaining.
Mercy's gonna
Last
present.
one.
Mine's one.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, fuck.
Oh sh.
Rising, good job.
Watch Widow, she's top left.
Trying to get her right now.
Oh, they coming to the other side.
Left. I mean, right. Fuck.
The Widow. She has no hook.
There is one.
Oh,
Widow's
tower
behind
behind
us.
us. On the left. Right.
Yes, soldier, he's low.
Let's get Mercy first. Zarya.
He's low.
Oh my god, Widow behind.
What the fuck?
Widow behind everyone.
Oh my god, kill her.
Almost have played, just leave me alive. Come on. Don't die on me, buddy.
There's some mobility.
Fuck him up. Nice.
Hey.
Same right.
Complete. Score.
He managed to shatter me, but no.
I don't think we can possibly lose though.
Switching sides.
Yeah, we would draw. Worst
Yeah,
case.
either draw or win. On the
They
bright
get-
side,
oh,
we
they
can
didn't
draw. On the brighter
Prepare
side,
to
we
attack.
win.
Select your hero.
Thank the Lord Almighty. Alright,
身を捨てても妙理は捨てず
can't wait to get this VOD done with. Go back to my regular MS.
Genji, this is just like old times.
Our paths cross for now. As to the future, we shall see. I don't like this.
Attack commences in 30
What's they added
seconds.
like a story mode? That'd be pretty badass.
You'd have to have a story.
I mean, like, they should add it like.
I mean, I feel like if they combined like the events and stuff, they could probably. But
Nah, I mean, like, because eventually it's gonna happen sooner or later. They're gonna end, like, they're gonna like, literally just. Basically, they can't think of any more heroes.
4, 3, 2.
So when that day comes,
Attack
when there's too
commences.
many heroes, they should make like
Capture
a story.
objective A.
Oh, they got a Widow again. Let's go right side again. Get picked. Right side. I go. Come on. Do it quickly. And whoever's down there, be careful. Alright, yeah, let's go. Get the Widow.
run me.
Ronnie healing by the way.
Gotta get Reaper, no Wraith.
Reaper one. Oh my.
Maybe so.
I have fucking 1 health, dude. I'm a genius.
I am healed.
Alright. Plan is
60 seconds
force
remaining.
that Reaper. Honestly, just one idea. Left me with that. I almost have grab. Wait, what the fuck am I saying? Wait. Sorry, there's no pressure on my
Have a tracer over me? Okay, you call.
Which
Behind
one?
us. Nice.
Get in there.
Tracer's low, Tracer's low.
This time.
Ryan, get Ryan.
30 seconds.
She got res, they went right behind us.
Who's on it?
Reaper?
Who's on it?
Reaper.
Alright, I got the tracer. It's just a mercy.
We must focus our attack upon the objective.
10 seconds remaining.
GG's.
Good job, guys.
Victory.
Look,
Alright. Good game, guys.
Play of the game.
I'm out here.